Welcome to our interior design guide on how to decorate a modern green tile bathroom. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of transforming your bathroom into a beautiful and functional space using a variety of key components. First, let's start with the foundation, the wall tiles. Choose a shade of green that suits your style and complements your bathroom's lighting. Lighter shades can make a small bathroom feel more spacious, while darker greens can create a cozy, luxurious atmosphere. Begin by carefully installing the wall and floor tiles. Ensure they're properly aligned and use high-quality grout to seal them in place. The grout color can either match your tiles or provide a nice contrast. Next, let's focus on the vanity and cabinetry. Choose a modern vanity in a sleek design and pair it with coordinating cabinetry for storage. Make sure the countertop complements the green theme. Install a stylish sink and water-efficient faucets that match the overall aesthetic. Consider a chrome or matte black finish for a contemporary look. For the toilet, opt for a water-saving model, and select a bathtub that complements your style, whether it's a freestanding modern tub or a built-in option. In the shower stall, install glass doors for a sleek look and a rain shower head for a luxurious bathing experience. Choose energy-efficient lighting fixtures that provide both ambient and task lighting. Don't forget to install an exhaust fan to keep your bathroom well ventilated. Above the vanity, install a well-lit bathroom mirror. This will not only enhance the decor but also provide ample lighting for grooming. Add open or closed storage shelves for towels and decorative items. Finish up with accessories like soap dispensers, toothbrush holders, and waste baskets to tie everything together. Lastly, don't forget about the practical details. Install towel bars/racks and a stylish toilet paper holder to complete the look. And there you have it. By carefully selecting and installing these components, you can create a modern green tile bathroom that's not only functional but also a beautiful oasis in your home. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!